I will brighten your day today. Because everybody needs to smile, right? So, you ready to smile? They are back. But more beautiful than ever before. Look at that. Definitely more beautiful than ever before. There's so many that are going to be opening. There's so many that are going to be opening. Like that. Did that make you smile? I hope it did. Look how big and gorgeous those are. They're absolutely beautiful. Gorgeous. Stay tuned because I'm going to make something spectacular with some of those flowers. Preserving it for many years to come. And it's something that's going to be very interesting. Stay tuned.